one. Let's go. All right. Kenny.
Delilah.
All right.
It's Rich Weekend.
Yeah. Common show, talking about strategies in order to face you, our audience. All right. So the first thing we were just kind of talking about too, we were talking about all skates and just like looking up and like dancing to your fullest, and, like really partnering with each other. Yeah. And having a great time and just enjoying like everything that your body can do, from like arm movements to extension of limbs. Yeah. And then we started talking about like, what if we get onto this side where we're kind of like blocked off from the audience, because like we personally love if we use a swing out, opening up, so we're like open, presenting to you. But like, what if we're over here? So one thing, we can do a little reverse swing out. Still sends us where we're back, but we still get to open up. We got a reverse circle, which can get us back to opening to our audience. We'll do that again, a little reverse circle. Yeah, we can be here, and inside roll where we offer the hand. Yeah, we'll do that again. Offer the hand. Ooh, hair whip. Yeah, and this little right to right, left side pass. You can play with lines, extensions, pointing. Yeah, and those other dynamics right there. And then did we do any other patterns?
No.
No?